Hey guys, what's going on? My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and welcome to another video. This is a series that we're doing on how to make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. And in today's video, I've done already 3 videos, if I'm not mistaken, and I will link the entire playlist in the description. You will have all the resources available for you. But basically, this whole series is a step-by-step guide for you to follow along. So if you are interested in following along, there are a couple of things that I did want to mention right in the get-go. If you are on this journey of affiliate marketing, you want to make $1,000 per month, I'm going to share a little bit more on this video of what does it take, because I think we need to take a break, a pause for a second after you understand the complete overview, after you go through the whole first setup. The second video is super important because it gives you the process of actually getting that cash flow. Then once you get that cash flow, you set up your own sales process or your whole sales funnel that's going to generate you for the long term. That's something that you need to have because it's your sales process. Now you can have a funnel and it automates things. This is why personally I have a funnel in place. I do have a day job, I do other things, so that's the main thing. And today we're going to be talking about how to put those things together to make the results to get the results that we need. Now if you're anything like me and you do have a day job and you do have other things happening in your life, then you are spending limited time online, and this series is about allowing you to follow along in the same steps. I spend about 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's it at the moment with my affiliate marketing, and the rest of the time I just focus on doing other things because I do have other things to do. It's a side hustle and I'm still on the journey towards $1,000. I have been doing this for some time, but I wanted to document the journey. So I was already doing it for the first 2 months, and I said, you know what, let's go ahead and document this whole process so that everybody gets the same opportunity to be able to reach that $1,000 mark. Because once you reach that $1,000, guys, then it is all about dedication and scaling up, because now the cash flow is coming in, you're making a certain amount of money. How do you scale that up? And we're going to get to that. When we get to that stage, I will be making a new series about the scale up. But for now, it's arriving to that first landmark of that first achievement of $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So let me go ahead and jump on my screen and share with you the rest of what I want to talk about. So guys, I'm on my screen, and as I mentioned, I'm on my laptop, and I wanted to share with you my Facebook group. First and foremost, as I said in the beginning of this video, all the resources to this entire series is in the description of this video. So basically, in order for you to get the offer that I'm promoting, then you just need to go to get the first link in the description will take you to this page. Enter your email address and you can get the offer. You will also be on my email list. Okay, yes, you will also be on my email list, and I will be sending you that offer, maybe other offers. There are other systems that you can use for free, which still have the same skill sets involved. Now, obviously, if you want to follow exactly what I'm doing, then this is the offer that you need to get, and you can follow along with use these videos as a guide and then implement it. What I did in the first step, I have an entire process that I'm going to share with you, but in this group, it's there as well. And if you join this group and answer the questions, there's a guide section right here. In the guide section, I go through everything. I share with you the tools that I needed, what's phase one, what is how do you set up your funnel, then the specific traffic plan, what strategy works, how do you buy better traffic, what is your daily method of operations, and then other products that I own in case you want to decide to not do the product that I'm sharing with you, but make it about another product. That's absolutely fine. It's not really for me to tell you which product should be there for affiliate marketing. You should resonate with it, and if you resonate with it, go ahead with it. That's how I would actually define it or maybe suggest to you guys. So this is what you can find on the guide section. You can follow along. I do have some other mindset training here and other things that are there in this group, but this is the guide that has to be done. It's mandatory for everybody who comes to the group. You cannot go to the other guides if you don't finish guide number 1. Everything else is optional, but guide number 1 is a must for everybody. I've just made it mandatory because I think it's going to be most beneficial for you. And I followed this formula, guys. So when I got started with affiliate marketing years ago, it was really hard for me to generate results. So what I was doing is I kept getting distracted. And this video about getting sales results is more of a mindset video than anything else. Because what happens is I might give you the blueprint, right? I might give you exactly step by step what you need to do. And in fact, in this formula, which is the only thing that I'm following to reach that $1,000 $1,000 per month, you will be able to do the exact same thing. Now, in this formula, even though I'm giving you the blueprint, I'm giving you the map, I'm very sure that around 90% of the people who are watching this video are going to step away and not take action, are going to be lazy, are not going to, I'm sorry to say it, I'm just giving you guys the hard truth, but 90% are not going to take action. They're not going to act on the information that's provided, and they are not going to listen to the information that's provided. Besides all of that, even if they do that, there are a majority of people, again around 90% of the people, get distracted and move on to a new system, a new method, and they keep the new, and they don't follow until they're actually making a certain amount. So if you have already a specific method and you don't want to follow this, that's absolutely fine. Stick with what you have until you reach those goals and achievements that you want. If you're just getting started and you don't have any method, that's why I'm putting out this map for you. That's why I'm sharing this information with you, so that you get the best results. But your mindset has to be stick with one thing until you have the results. So until you have $1,000 per month, you stick with it. That's pretty much it. And I'm doing the exact same thing as you guys. As you enter into the affiliate marketing space, I personally am doing make money online. That's my niche. The home-based business is my niche. Internet marketing is my niche. If I'm focused on internet marketing, there are so many offers out there that can distract me to go to the next and jump and I can keep buying courses. I can spend years just buying courses. And that's what I did a long time ago. I kept getting distracted, which didn't get me any results. So I highly recommend you focus first and foremost on this blueprint that right here. I've broken it up into really 2 steps and made it very simple. One is get an emails traffic source. So you're getting access to people on an email list already for just $30 per month. So my cost with all of this is just $30 per month. I'm sending it to an offer. I'm generating sales and commissions. The moment I generate commissions, I invest those commissions back into buying more higher quality traffic to build my email list. But the quality traffic that I buy is specifically to build my email list. On my email list, I promote the same offer that they can find on step 1, and I promote other offers as well, which means I'm opening myself up to more commissions and different places, as well as I'm also sharing with them tools and strategies. These are the things that I'm sharing on my list. So the emails go with, 1 week of one offer. If you don't like that offer, maybe you would like another offer. Maybe you would like a third offer. So over the years, I've collected offers that I have and which all work for me, but more than anything else, which I've used and function and are long-term offers. I do not share anything which is not high quality. That's just me personally. There are ethical and non-ethical marketers out there, but this is just pretty much what I'm sharing with you. So don't get distracted. Stay focused on the plan until you reach that goal. So if this goal of this whole series is to get you to $1,000 per month, you are going to be focused to get to that $1,000 per month before you move and buy another thing or do anything else. That's just, I'm telling myself the exact same thing. If I'm using the tool that I have to build this whole sales process right here, this whole step 2 is a free tool. There has been about 10 or 15 times where I've wanted to pay and go to a higher advanced strategy and try to do some cool affiliate marketing things. But I had to tell myself, David, stop, wait, slow down, calm down. You are documenting your journey, so you're not going to jump ahead and go to the $27 per plan or the $97 plan just because you need to show people that you can build up your income and then start to move. So I'm documenting my journey along that way, but I'm trying to stay focused. This is the main aim. Focus on what you're doing until you get that. Even this series, I'm making it so that I'm more accountable to myself to stay focused on this strategy. So it's all about your mindset. That's going to get you the best results more than anything else. The second thing is, besides the paid methods, if you want to get better results, what you need to do, or what you can do, you don't have to do it, what you can do is you need to understand that there are 2 main skill sets in affiliate marketing that you are learning. One is traffic. One is advertising. How do you advertise to get conversions? Where do I advertise to get conversions? Anything related to advertising is traffic. That's the first skill set. That's the major 80% of your time goes into traffic generation method. Second is email marketing, is copywriting. Copywriting can help you build systems. Copywriting can help you build emails. Copywriting can help you build a blog. Copywriting, these are the 2 main skills as an affiliate marketer that you learn. Everything else is complementary, but without these two, it doesn't function. So these 2 are the main elements, and then everything else is complementary. So for example, video editing can be complementary. Another kind of skill set can be complementary. Other things that are happening can be complementary, but your traffic and your emails, these are the 2 things that are building your business for the long term. So understand that. And that is where your focus is. Now, let me give you an example for you to understand that. If you don't want to use paid traffic and you want to use free advertising methods, so you're going the TikTok route, you're the Instagram route. Why? Because maybe those will boost up your traffic, right? Boost up your advertising. You're getting a platform. But TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media you're using is not traffic that you own, is not advertising that you own. You're advertising on somebody else's platform. So getting an email is very important. That is going to generate the traffic, and then you're getting an email. Once you get that email, now your focus is on the copywriting. So those are the two things to pay attention to. I wanted to just say this up front, focus. And then these two skills are the only two skills that you need to really learn for the long term. Everything else is complementary. What we spoke about in step 1 is to generate a cash flow. What we spoke about in step 2 is to generate an asset. So now you're getting cash flow and an asset to reach that $1,000. Cash flow, asset, to get that $1,000 per month. Without the cash flow, you're spending from your pocket if you're going the paid route. If you're going the free route, you're spending time. Know that. I personally have a day job. I do not have time, so that's why I'm paying. But I needed to have a cash flow, so that's why I'm following this method. I'm generating a cash flow first and then investing that cash flow into traffic so that I can build my email list and get to that $1,000 per month. It's a very simple plan to set up. If you're on step 1, focus on being on step 1 for at least 3 months. In my opinion, this step 1 is at least 90 days is what you need for that to generate like a good cash flow. 90 days for step 1. And then after those 90 days to 120 days of step 1, I would say even give it a year if you were just sticking to step 1 on that way. But I would say 90 days is the shortest time frame. Once you get to those 90 days, then you move it to step 2. I moved a little bit quicker because I already knew which traffic sources that I want to share. If you know with myself, or if you want to start yourself that way, it's fine. You can combine the two and keep the cash flow and maybe spend a little less from your pocket, but you're spending some money from your pocket for step 2. Combine the two if you want. But this is how you're going to get results and conversions. Without the focus, and if the focus is the main thing, don't get distracted. And then the skill sets are email marketing and traffic generation. These are just the two things: email marketing, traffic generation, just these two things. That's how you're going to start to get results and reach that goal of $1,000 per month. So this is the strategy. Like I said, in the description of this video, there are links first and foremost to the previous 3 videos and the entire playlist that's there. Okay. The offer you can also find in the description of this video by just entering your email address here. It'll take you to a thank you page, and then the offer is on Warrior Plus. And yeah, that's about it. That's what I wanted to share with you in this video. Is more of a mindset. And on next video, we're going to set up the emails. So if you're in step 2, we've set up the landing page now and bridge page. Now we're going to be setting up the emails. This is what we're going to be focusing on. So far we've dealt with landing page and bridge page to the offer, this up here. Now in the next video, we are going to be the next part of the series, we're going to be looking at the emails and how to set that up correctly. And then in the video after that, we're going to be specifically looking at what is the traffic, what is the advertising that I'm doing with my profits? Where am I going? What am I doing? How am I buying it? How am I not going out of pocket? So then that's the following video. And then I planned a few other videos after that, all related to getting to $1,000 per month. But guys, at the moment, just for you guys to see, at the time of when I'm shooting this video, which is in May, you will see it in June. But I am shooting the strategy in May just to show you. I've already made this month $200 with just step 1. So this is the process. I'm showing you this, and I will be purchasing more traffic through Warrior Plus itself for the others. So I already know that for the next month, I have at least $200 to spend on my traffic and build my email list. So this $200 goes back to help me build my email list. Like I said, the offer's in the description. You get on my email list. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And I look forward to helping you in the next video on setting up your emails. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.